In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now tap on this microphone at the bottom left corner. Select while using the app in the pop-up. Hit agree and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone. If you want to try Google voice typing instead, you need to click on this gear at the top of your keyboard. Scroll down to hit voice input section. Over here, tap on Google voice typing. Go back to your keyboard and click on microphone, also at the bottom left corner. Then start typing. And to stop, you can pause or use this button. To go back, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!